fix the machine foot, there is one thing you add to it. Let me show you. Let me bring it out and show you. There is one iron piece here. So you bring it out from the nylon and insert it inside here. This stuff, right? Insert them here this way, and then you make sure you place this rubber here. Take your time to go through this video. Watch the end. Don't fast forward any part. So place it here this way, and then once you are done with that, you now lift the machine in a nice manner. Don't hold the rubber edge. Don't hold the rubber edge. Don't hold the rubber edge. Hold it from the base, from the real body. Then carry it and then adjust this to be facing that direction. And then you lift it gradually and insert it gently inside here, making sure that it is properly clipped. Making sure it's properly clipped this way. And then once you're done with this, you're not yet done with the machine fixing. You bring wait, something on the floor, that stuff, and then you can screw this more to give you more room to fix it. So this one will be done manually. You screw it more to be able to fix this, or you can fine tune or sharpen off the body of this. You can fine tune the body of this, and then you fix it here, and then you come over to this side, loosen the nuts, bring out one washer or wash, place it underneath this way, and then make sure that the nut is placed under. The wash will go in first, while the nut will now be fixed. So you will tighten this underneath here, and then with the help of your adjustable spanner or screw, you can also work on this properly. So having said this, now let's now start fixing the thread holders. Then to do this, there is a joiner here. There is a joiner here. This joiner will be placed at the middle here, this way, while this one will come up in this form. But before then, the thread base will be inserted first. The thread base must be inserted. You bring the star screwdriver. You bring the star screwdriver this way, tighten it nicely, and then you are going to use your adjustable spanner holding the nuts, and then tighten the bolts. Tighten the bolts, make sure it's nicely fixed. Tighten the bolts. So once you get to this position where it's clipped nicely, you are done with this. Then you bring the other accessories, these ones, loosen it, then penetrate it inside from here. You are meant to bring out the washer, the small ring like stuff, then penetrate this on its own inside this, then hold the wash or the washer here, right? Hold it here, and then place it underneath, and then you tighten. You tighten it this way, and then you're done with this. Do the same thing on the other one as well. Then you can now clip this here, and then bring the other one as well. Jump the second hole, use the last hole to do this. Then make the foam to be at the middle. Clip it here, put the washer down, and then tighten it from here. Tighten from here. So once it's tight, then take this and clip to this point. Then after this, the next you will do now is to join the two pipe together. The two pipe, put the joiner first. The joiner comes first before the pipe comes next. But then don't forget to put the thread rail. The thread rail is this stuff. Place it at the center length of this. With the help of your star screwdriver as well, you tighten all through this way, and then make sure all of this is nicely done at the middle distance, right? Tighten it that way, and then tighten nicely, and then put the joiner, and then make sure that the joiner is centralized at the center point of this joint. Place it this way, and then place the joiner here while you adjust it this way, and then take the screws and fix inside with the corresponding nuts and fix inside. Then you also use your star screwdriver and tighten this. So you must take your time in doing this. You don't have to be in a haste. Take your time to do all of this. So you tighten this, you also tighten this. So with the help of your star screwdriver is how you have to do this. So tighten this nicely. So you make sure it's properly fixed. So you can still tighten this more. All right, so now we're almost done with our machine fixing, and then it's now time for us to test run it. So we are done with this. As you can see how everything is properly set. So the next video you will see now will be on the threading and test running the machine for us to see what we have done. Before we end the video on this, let's try to fix the cord as shown.